In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove someone from Google Meet. If you're hosting or managing a Google Meet call, there may be times when you need to remove a participant from the meeting. This can be helpful if the wrong person joined, if someone is causing a distraction, or if you simply need to manage the call more effectively. The good news is that the process is very quick once you know where to look. To begin, look to the top right area of your Google Meet window and click on the profile or people icon. This is where you can view everyone who is currently in the call. If you're using a different screen size, the icon may appear slightly different, but it will still open the participant list. Take a moment to make sure you're in the right panel before moving on. Once the participant list is open, find the person you want to remove from the meeting. It's a good idea to double-check the name before taking any action, especially if there are multiple people in the call with similar names, or if the meeting has a lot of attendees. Being careful here helps avoid removing the wrong person by mistake. After you've located that participant, look for the three dots next to their name. Click on those three dots to open more options for that specific person. This menu gives you actions related to that participant, and one of those options is the one you'll need. From that menu, click on Remove from this call. As soon as you do that, the person will be removed from the meeting. Depending on the version of Google Meet you're using, you may see a confirmation prompt or a short notice confirming that the participant has been removed. If that happens, just follow the on-screen message to complete the action. And that's all there is to it. Open the participant panel from the top right, select the person, click the three dots next to their name, and choose Remove from this call. It's a simple process, but it's an important feature to know if you're running meetings and need to keep things organized and secure. If you're removing someone by accident, be aware that you may need to invite them back manually, so always take an extra second to confirm before clicking. With that in mind, you should now be able to manage participants in Google Meet with confidence.